We're excited to be here. Make some noise, make some noise, make some noise. Keep it going. We need the energy all day. We need that energy all day.
Good morning!
That's your sister.
How's everyone feeling? Good! Okay. Looks like it's a beautiful day today. We have some sunshine. Have you all visited our student services department? Yeah. Yellow umbrellas are our student services department. Have you visited our white umbrellas? Those are our student clubs and organizations. All of them. Please, please, please. My name is Marjani Team. I am the Associate Director of Recruitment with Admissions and Recruitment. Thank you so much for joining us for Preview Day. This is one of our most exciting days of the year because we get to welcome you, our incoming students for Fall 26. We are so excited to have you all here.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you so much. You're most welcome.
I got another friend. So I had to make sure I did that.
Man,
Is that Eddie?
I think they're just flying around. They get attracted. I'm the magnet.
Okay, Eddie. We loved it. We love to see you. Thank you. Eddie's always making these wonderful appearances for us. So we're so happy that Eddie's here with us. You guys know who Eddie is, right? Eddie's famous. Yeah. Eddie's the Golden Eagle. He's our Casa LA mascot. Don't forget it, okay? You get a prize. All right. So we have a wonderful day in store for you all today. A lot of great things. So just to very quickly cover today's agenda, how many of you scheduled a campus tour? Okay, I see a lot of hands went up. Beautiful. We're offering campus tours. We're offering housing tours. If you want to learn a little bit more information about financial aid and scholarships, we have our amazing financial aid and scholarships pavilion behind us with that beautiful banner. There are different time slots for their session, so please make sure that you visit them.
Hola everyone.
Learn about aid,
Nakama kalian po joining in hula sa Faira. Tumpulin na kami Washington. Pampul juga di Los Angeles. Rakibinaka. It's a beautiful day over here. So just saying bula to all of you and hope you all well. Binaka, mwane.
Some of our partners in there who are assisting people to say yes to Cal State LA. So if you haven't submitted your enrollment confirmation deposit, go ahead and visit them. They're going to give you some excellent guidance and answer any additional questions that you all may have. Now I know that everyone is really excited to meet with their academic colleges. So I want to make sure that everyone has checked in. All of our admitted students today have checked in and you received your lanyard, correct?